has forgiven somebody and afterward you again want to draw him to the court of law. The gentlemanship. So, first, if a party destroyed the evidence, lost or waived his right to an equitable remedy by his own act, not by his agent. If that is done by his other agent, then in that case, that person will invoke the code of equity.
And second situation is moral infringement, being incapable of enforcement. Moral infringement, being incapable of enforcement. Limitation, where right and remedies both are within the jurisdiction of common law. First of all, you will have to go to the common ordinary courts. If they didn't or they don't give you the relief, then you can invoke to the court of equity for that special talk. Second is where the courts are not authorized to question the act of state. If the courts to which you have invoked doesn't have the jurisdiction or the capacity, and it is binding due to the act of the state, then this maximum will not apply. For example, if you sued against the sovereign, some sovereign state, prince against some royal family, or you sued against some diplomat, they are covered by diplomatic immunity. Whether it is the envoy or representative of UNO or European Union or this and that, you can't go to your court of law against that person if he does some act in his that capacity of diplomat. If he is a diplomat, he is a sovereign or the part of a sovereign, you cannot go against that person, that diplomat, that representative, that ambassador against especially in civil cases. You can't institute a suit against that diplomat. He has the diplomatic immunity. Then, what is the position of in Pakistan about that maxim? Maxim applicable in Pakistan, especially when there is a law that is called Specific Relief Act. Specific Relief Act. In that act, you have to study section 52, 53, 51. In that, there and other is CPC, Civil Procedure Code 1908. Entitled Civil Code empowers civil courts to entertain all kinds of suits unless they are prohibited. That is the brief intro. We will discuss it later on. Thank you.
Thank you so much.